back to my channel today. Today's video, as you can see, my makeup is very different, very not me in comparison to all my other videos. I will be following a NIKKITUTORIALS makeup look. Right, so let's get started.
So her first step is to use the cayenne in this palette and just to put it in on the outer corner of her eye. And blend, she says.
She was meant to blend out the colors with a clean eyeshadow brush, so that's what I have here. It's kind of blended, I assume, because I feel like it's starting to blend way too much. I'm gonna just you know, make it a bit more vibrant. I do notice in her video that this part is actually just meant to be clear and not have anything, but I messed up, so we're gonna roll with it. I'm sure there's ways that I can fix it, or it might not be that noticeable at the end of the day. Alright, so the next step is to obviously put highlighter or like the glitter. She went with Scorched and Dirty Talk. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. I believe mascara and eyeliner will save this look. I don't know. It's not the best I've done, but definitely not the worst. So, thanks. Okay, so now I'm going to do my other side of my eyes and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with both of my eyes. It's not the worst, but not the best. Okay, so with these lashes, they are magnetic lashes that I bought from eBay and just give it a try because I've seen ads all over Facebook, Instagram, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to give it a try myself. And obviously eBay is not the best to purchase these sort of stuff, because it's not like authentic, but you know, I just want to get the idea of how these work. So I got these looking lashes. It comes with this eyeliner, so I'm going to pop that on right now. This strap, I'm just going to finish off the rest of my face and put some bronzer and also blush. I'm obviously not going to go too heavy because it's going to overtake my eye makeup. So I'm just going to put some Hoola bronzer. So we're going to be using this blush from Okay, nobody saw that. It's going to put them on here. I really like the color pop blush because it's just very cute. Yeah, now I'm just going to highlight my face just a bit. And I'm gonna go with this Fenty Beauty highlighter, and the colors are Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak. So the colors are very beautiful. I feel like this is probably my favorite. staying on pretty well. I'm just gonna let these dry for a bit and just see how they go. Let's set my face. Just make sure everything's in place. Hope you guys enjoyed this video today where I follow NIKKITUTORIALS makeup, aka just eyeshadow. Yes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting more content in the next couple of weeks because I do have some exciting videos to share with you guys. So make sure to stay tuned. Bye!